If you're looking for a self-hosted cloud storage solution, you might have stumbled upon Nextcloud, but does it really deliver on its promises? Let's dig into what makes this platform tick and whether it's worth your time and data. Nextcloud is essentially a self-hosted cloud storage platform that gives users full control over their data. It's designed for both personal and business use, allowing you to store, share, and collaborate on files securely. The interface is pretty user-friendly, which is a plus for those who might not be tech-savvy. What stands out immediately is the level of customization available. You can tailor it to your needs with various apps and integrations, which is great if you have specific requirements. However, while the core functionality is solid, some users might find the setup process a bit daunting, especially if you're not familiar with hosting services. Another thing to note is that while Nextcloud provides a lot of features, like collaborative editing and calendar integration, the documentation can feel overwhelming or lacking in places. If you're someone who prefers a straightforward experience, this could be a bit frustrating. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ability to fully control your data is a huge draw, especially in today's privacy-conscious world. Plus, the customization options can be a game changer for power users. On the flip side, the initial setup can be quite complex, which might deter less tech-savvy users. There's also the concern of needing your own server or hosting solution, which can add to the overall cost and maintenance hassle. Additionally, while Nextcloud has a strong community, the support options are somewhat limited compared to commercial alternatives. So if you run into issues, you might have to rely on forums rather than dedicated customer service. In conclusion, Nextcloud is a fantastic option for those who want complete control over their cloud storage and don't mind a bit of a learning curve. If you're looking for an easy plug-and-play solution though, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth considering if you value privacy and customization.